Hello everybody, welcome in today's video on how to buy render tokens, the ERC 20 version. So what we are going to do, we will log into our Coinbase account, and after that you can select the three options on the right top. You can select the option deposit, buy and sell, and send and receive. We would like to buy these tokens, so we will select the second option. Click on it. After that, you will arrive at this overview, and here you can select the asset you are going to buy. So we will fill in render, and there it appears. Select it. Now fill in the amount you would like to buy, let's say €6. And we would like to make a one-time purchase, but you can select different frequencies to buy this token. Select the one which is suited for you. After that, you can select your wallet you would like to pay with. For me, it's my Euro wallet because I live in Europe, but if you use other currencies or live in another country, then you can select the wallet you would like to use. After that, we can select Preview Buy. Click on it. It will show us some information. I'm buying this amount of coins. I'm paying with my Euro wallet. The price of each coin is €8.58. The amount we are purchasing in euros is €5.01. The Coinbase fee we are paying to Coinbase is 99 cents. And the total amount we are spending is €6. You can select the option to invest on a weekly basis. We don't want to do that. We want to make a one-time purchase. After that, and you want to buy the coins, click on buy now and the coins will be bought directly. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next Coinbase tutorial. Cheers, bye bye.